Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Apple ID is signed in for messages. This authenticates iMessage. Once done, enable iMessage and make sure you're on Wi-Fi or have cellular data. iMessage needs internet. Next, disable send as SMS so messages don't default to green bubbles when iMessage fails. Also, check date and time are correct. Inconsistent time can block activation. These steps put you into iMessage mode immediately, so subsequent messages prefer blue bubbles rather than SMS. Now you verify the recipient and network conditions. First, confirm the person you message has an Apple device and iMessage enabled. Blue bubbles mean it's working. Make sure your own reachable addresses, phone and Apple ID email, are checked in Settings Messages Send and Receive. Once done, prefer Wi-Fi or reliable cellular for larger attachments and read receipts. If you use multiple devices, enable messages in iCloud so threads sync. These checks keep conversations on iMessage, not SMS. Finish by confirming everyday signals. Blue bubbles, typing indicators, and read receipts show messages are iMessage. If a message still sends as SMS, restart your device and verify cellular or Wi-Fi connectivity. Once done, signing out of your Apple ID in Messages and signing back enforces reactivation. Make sure contacts have the correct reachable address. A final troubleshooting tip: toggle iMessage off, wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on while connected to Wi-Fi. This often resolves activation and fallback issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.